guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of My Day. Today I'll be designing something different also, and this is a party flyer as well. So this one is very simple and straightforward. What I'll be doing here is to create a little bit of a colorful background. So I got this image from Pinterest. Let me switch off all these layers. By the way, I used size 1080 by 1350 for my page size. As you can see, this is very simple. So this is an image that I got online, so I had to enhance the image to make it to look awesome. So as you can see, it's looking kind of dull. So I tried to added camera effects to make it look like this. Sorry, it's taking a while to load. To make it look like this. So I had to add a little bit of light to it. So it's straightforward and it's making sense. So what I did next was to create, let me switch this off with this off already. A new layer by clicking this new layer with your foreground color set to black. You click on your gradient tool right here. Set to, like you can see, it's looking kind of covered. And I will also click here a little bit. Something like this. Yeah. But you can see it's very simple and straightforward. So for this text here, you can see my layer style here. You can see for this diva I think this is Montserrat. Yeah, Montserrat font. I used bevel and emboss. You can see bevel and emboss, technique smooth, depth 251, direction up, size 4, soften 0. Now for the stroke I used size 3, position inside, blend mode normal, opacity 100%. And for the gradient I used the gold gradient. At location 0 I used ED7 F3C, and at location 23 I used ED8031, and for location I'm sorry, I think I missed something. Yeah, location, sorry, trying to get it right. Sorry. Now for this I used FOF 3BE. Now for location 100 I used ED7 also F338. This color I used inner glow. You might not really see that inner glow. Just make it a little bit lightened. Blend mode luminosity, opacity 89, noise 13, color white, choke 0, size 1, technique softer, range 71. Then also, as you can see, I showed you the gradient overlay. Now for the drop shadow I used, this one is not really necessary anyways. You can skip this part of drop shadow. It's very simple and straightforward. Now for the fonts, so you can decide to change the font to anything you want. You can decide to use black italic. You can use any kind of font you want. Let me try and use other fonts. Let me try and see how to play out. You can see this is also very nice. Using this diva font too is also very nice. So you can play around with your font and everything just to have that feel. So also, as you some reason in all my videos I usually bring this 18 plus sign. Then this night for the font I used Magic Frankie regular. Let me this yeah, this is how I got this design. It's straightforward. So you can decide to add your own touches to it to make it look more fun. Now let me show you the effects for this night. So you can decide to use you can decide to even remove all this inner glue and use just color and drop shadow. It will still give you the same result. So it's very simple and straightforward. Please try and subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. I would really appreciate that to help me create more videos. Thank you.